In this video, we'll be using our fundamental identities to rewrite some trig terms. If you've not already done so, press pause to copy down these identities in your notes. When you're ready to continue, press play. Our first example, we're asked to express tangent theta in terms of cotangent theta. So we need an identity that relates tangent and cosine. We can see that the negative angle identities just relate to themselves. Here we have a tangent and a secant in an identity, and we know that secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so this may work. This one also relates to sine, so I don't want to combine that if I can help it. I'm just wanting to relate tangent and cosine. And then this one also is just the reciprocal identity. So let's go ahead and use this tangent squared plus 1 equals secant squared. Alright, so from Pythagorean identities, we know that tangent squared theta plus 1 equals secant squared theta. And then we're wanting to write tangent as some other expression in terms of cosine. So let's subtract 1 from both sides. We get tangent squared theta equals secant squared theta minus 1. And then let's go ahead and change this to 1 over cosine. Tangent squared theta is equal to 1 over cosine squared theta minus 1. And let's get a common denominator here. So we know tangent squared theta is equal to, my common denominator will be a cosine squared. 1 minus, this will be cosine squared over cosine squared. And then when I square root both sides, I get tangent theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cosine squared theta over cosine squared theta. Now I can square root this denominator, and let's do that as our final step for simplifying this one. Tangent theta is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine squared theta over, and the square root of cosine squared is just cosine.